Why is it that when you sneeze in class, 10 people gonna yell bless you like they're casting a spell? I just sneezed, not summoned a demon. Like the whole student council just blessed me. And there's always that one girl that's just trying to sing, bless you. And that kid that doesn't speak once every 6 months says, God bless you. So I sneezed. Like, there's one doing a military command saying, bless you, from the other side of the classroom. And there's always that kid that's whispering to you, bless you, like he's in a horror movie. And the teacher's just standing there like,